Let's test your IQ with these 16 tricky riddles. So are you ready? Let's go. What word has 5 letters but sounds like has 1? Q. A man has a bee in his hand. What's in his eye? Beauty, because beauty lies in the eye of beholder. I am a fruit, I am a bird, and I am also a person. What am I? Kiwi. What letters are found in every single day of the week? D, A, and Y. How many times can you subtract 10 from 100? Only once, because after that you will be subtracting it from 90 and then 80 and so on. What's in the beginning of eternity, the end of time and space, the beginning of every end, and the end of every race? The letter E. If tomorrow you said day before yesterday was such a day, what day is today? Sunday. You see a boat filled with people, it has not sunk, but when you look again, you don't see a single person on the boat. Why? All people on the boat were married. What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner? A stamp. I am a 3-digit number. My 10-digit number is 5 more than my 1 digit, and my 100-digit is 8 less than my 10-digit number. What number am I? It's 194. How can a man go 10 days without sleep? He only sleeps at night. 7 sisters were born 2 years apart. The younger one is 7. How old is the eldest one? 19. I am an odd number. Take away a letter from me and I become even. What number am I? 7. What is the next number in the series? 21, because each number in the series is the sum of the 2 preceding numbers. What has to be broken before it can be used? An egg. You walk into a room that contains a match, a kerosene lamp and a candle. What do you light first? the match. If you've liked this video, do give it a like and you can watch these videos next. Thanks for watching.